I've been working so hard to get you out my head, but I can't stop my thinking of the words that you have said. You told me that you loved me, how could I forget? Now it's spinning around inside my head. So I hold on, however long, till we both rocking on the porch. Yeah, I hold on till the morning comes. Promise that you'll be in my arms. Throw another log on, is what she said to me. Just because the stars out doesn't mean we need to sleep. So I wrote her a love song to show her how I feel, to tell her she is all I ever need. So I hold on, however long, till we both rocking on the porch. Yeah, I hold on till the morning comes. Promise that you'll be in my arms. That you'll be in my arms.
December 26th, I'm shoveling the walk. The tree is in the gutter, lights are turning off. A couple months of snowfall before the sun comes out. We're back to being hurried, back to acting proud. I wish I could hold Christmas and it would stick around for days when we run empty, for days when we feel down. I wish I could hold Christmas, and even in the darkest cloud, the light would shine out. Side, we pass another year. It's so strange to live without you standing here, waiting for the fall and skies to turn gray. Somehow in the shadow, a beacon shows the way. I wish I could hold Christmas, and it would stick around for days when we run empty. we feel down. I wish I could hold Christmas, and even in the darkest cloud, the light would shine out. I could wait another year, but soon enough I'm gonna pack my bags and get out of here. Make my way across the sky to a home lit up with Christmas lights. I wish I could hold Christmas, and it would stick around for days when we run empty, for days when we feel down. I wish I could hold Jesus, and even in the darkest cloud, His light would shine out. The darkest cloud, His light would shine out.
Later on in the night, when the crowds have gone, we could talk under moonlight till dawn. We could stay to watch the sunrise, cancel all our plans. We don't need a reason why we just can't. I wish I could stop time and stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Got myself free falling deep into your eyes. You came to me without warning, but I knew why. I wish I could stop time and stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Country lanes and coastal plains, endless views that we're passing through, making our way to a distant place, just us two, somewhere new. into the night. With you, my arms, nothing can go wrong. We'll fall asleep on a starlit beach, just us two, and somewhere new. Just us two. I'll follow you to somewhere new, somewhere new. Hello, baby. Hello, home. Hello, Anna. Until it's gone. Still I love her. It's getting late. It's on from my eyes gone to another place. We'll come round. We'll come round. Come back morning, come back morning. Keep on sewing, these clothes are warm. We talk for hours, just morning break. Just like the sun leaves to come back again. We'll come round, we'll come round. Call it